Are you stuck staring at a blank page trying to brainstorm your next big idea? What if you had an AI assistant that can help you write anything instantly? Enter Rytr.me. Let's dive into this. So this is Rytr.me, and this is basically an AI writing assistant that helps you generate all kinds of content instantly, from blog posts to ad copy. Its versatility really can spark creativity with this tool. Rytr basically helps you break through your writer's block and get your ideas down on the page quickly. One of the best features of this product is the ability to write over 30 different languages with a variety of tones. This allows you to generate content that's perfect for any audience or brand voice. And the good thing about this is you can easily switch between tones like casual or professional, or maybe slightly more funny. Rytr basically just does it all. But what if you need to do deep research or analyze complex data to back up your writing? There is a powerful tool that can handle that exactly on any website. So this is Merlin AI. It's an all-in-one productivity tool that has fantastic results when it comes to research, summarizing long articles, or simplifying complex data. And it works right in your browser on any website that you're on. You can use Merlin to quickly find and summarize key information to support your content. So in Get Merlin, we can see right here, we are greeted with this prompt box. Now we can do a bunch of different things with this. We can get research insights. You can see basically it's going to give us the prompts depending on what we actually pick here, but we can also just type in whatever we want. Another cool thing is you get access to all of these different models, right? So you can see as I scroll down, these are all of the ones available. And if this is a little bit overwhelming, we can see if it's for reasoning, these are the models we should be picking. If it's for coding, it's going to say, hey, maybe you want Gemini or GPT-5. Writing as well, you can see these are the options. And then if you just want something that's faster, then it's going to suit you towards the mini models that basically get to the end result quicker. But if you still don't know which one you want, you can also pick auto select model. So basically, depending on what we type, it's going to select the appropriate model for us. So we're going to type, for example, guide me through the process of building a high converting landing page for a fashion product. And yes, if we want, we can enhance that prompt as well, or we can simply just press go. Selected Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. We can see we have a full guide here on how to actually create a landing page, as well as the structure of the page already laid out for us here. So the hero section, value proposition, product showcase, etc., etc. So just for this use case, we can basically say that yes, it is absolutely nailed it. Merlin is an incredibly affordable AI tool available at just $5 per month. It achieves these prices by purchasing API credits in bulk from all other AI models such as Google, Gemini, OpenAI, Anthropic, and more. These models would typically cost over $100 per month if you bought individually, but with Merlin basically going and buying those tokens in bulk, it gives everyone a discount here, and you can use everything directly on their platform. Now, typically, if you were to buy ChatGPT, you can see it's $25 per month. And with Cloud or Anthropic's Cloud here, we can see that it's $17. And with Gemini, it is $20 per month. So comparing that to the pricing of Merlin, where you do just get everything all in one for the price of just one subscription, I think that is a pretty good deal. And it's also worth noting that this coupon is actually a limited time offer. That's why it's $5 per month. So definitely take advantage of this sooner rather than later. If you do go ahead with a purchase, then definitely go ahead and type in the code ME5 when you do purchase, because this is going to give you a massive discount, as you can see here, in which, yes, normally a year's subscription would cost $200. Instead, it's costing us just $60 for the year. So fantastic value here. As you can see, we just got a massive 75% discount by applying this code. So definitely go ahead and do that if you're considering buying this. Now, Rytr's user-friendly interface makes it easy to get started right away. You can create high-quality content for a variety of use cases without needing any technical expertise. So here on the left-hand side, we can see that we can choose a use case for what we're writing here. So let's say we want to write a business idea. We can type in the interest or the niche here for that idea. So we'll say SaaS. And then we can add skills here as well for the writer. But let's go ahead and type this in and then press write that. Just go ahead and fill this out and then press write for me. And just like that, almost instantly, we can see it's written us an entire article here for a product idea. Really, really cool. And then what we can do if we want, we can actually go ahead and change the tone of any of this as well. So let's go up to the top here. And then, yes, you can see it says change tone, improve, continue writing, change the length. Just lots of friendly features here that you wouldn't get with other AIs. So really, really appreciative of that. Now, Rytr is an incredible tool for long-term writing, like blog posts and articles. It helps you outline your content, write each section, and generate a full draft in a fraction of the time. It's like having a co-writer that helps you beat deadlines and publish more content consistently. So if you are ready to start creating high quality content faster than ever, click the link in the description to try Rytr.me. And don't forget to use your new AI research assistant, Merlin. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day.